Hey, if you want to pair your Sony WH-1000XM3 with your Android phone, first of all you have to power off your headphones by using this power button, this one, and then click and hold this button to enter for the pairing mode. So keep holding until this indicator starts blinking quickly. There we go, there's also the Bluetooth pairing notification. And next we have to open the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, and from available devices you have to select your Sony headphones, accept the pairing, and the second option to pair them is to get the Sony headphones application from the Play Store. So you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you have to find this application in your Play Store. So you have to click on the install button to connect them. It will take around few seconds. That's not big application, you don't need to wait. And then we can open. We have to accept all of these permissions that will pop on the screen. Tap to agree and start using. Click OK and accept allow if you have this notification. And right now, as you can see, we are successfully connected. Here you can skip all of the steps. You can set up everything later. So if you want to be quickly connected, just follow my steps. Go to the dashboard and there we are. So yeah, that's all. Bye.